Hey guys, in this video we will see how to show or hide content suggestion in search box on Windows 11. If you want to show or hide Windows 11 search content suggestion, then here are the process. Right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here in settings page from the left side, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here look for the option under Windows permission, look for the option search. Click on it. On the next page, scroll down and you will find the option show search highlights. See content suggestion in the search box and in search home. If you want to show or enable, turn the toggle button on. If you want to hide search suggestion, then turn the toggle button on or off. Simply enable or disable show search suggestion by turning on off toggle button. That's all.